Follow along with me as I read the story called Spider and Sun. Long ago, before day and night existed, animals had no fire or light. They decided that someone must find Sun, who only shone on the other side of the mountain. Spider volunteered for the dangerous mission. She took a pot with her and climbed slowly up into the sky. When she found Sun, she trapped a bit of him in her pot and quickly closed the lid. When she returned to her friends, everyone was happy, for now they had fire and heat. Sun was angry when he discovered that he lost part of his fire to Spider, and so he set off to find her. Every day he traveled the world from east to west looking for Spider. The animals were delighted with Sun's movement, for now they enjoyed regular times of light and heat. Sun never found Spider, but continued traveling around Earth. He makes almost the same trip every year. Yesterday, when I looked at the meeting of the Mount Rushmore President's poster, I thought about the most important ideas in the pictures and text. I also thought about what I already knew about Mount Rushmore and about cartoons to summarize what the poster was showing. I'll show you how I do this. I know that this story is about a spider and the sun. Both characters have traits of humans. Spider volunteers to find Sun, and Sun gets angry. I've read stories like this in which animals and other objects that are not human are described as human. These stories are fun to read. Can you think of a story similar to one like Spider and Sun? I also know that this story is not giving me real facts. The story explains nature. I also enjoy reading the author's explanation of why the sun goes from east to west each day. When I'm trying to identify the author's purpose, I need to ask myself those questions. Are the things that they're telling me true facts, or are they fiction or fake stories that are trying to entertain me? Now I want us to think about the content of the passage. What is the first clue to its purpose? Let's look closely to find some clues in the story Spider and Sun to try to tell what the author's purpose is. What are some clues that you notice that tell you about the author's purpose? I'm going to give you some time to think. One of the clues that I know is that this story has a setting, a problem, a solution, and characters. It is a fictional story. All fiction stories have those elements. Another clue is animals talk and do things, such as go on missions. In nonfiction stories, animals don't talk. They're real-life facts. And the sun is angry. I know that in real life, the sun can't get angry. So as I think about what is the author's purpose, I know that it's not trying to persuade me or change my opinion. It's trying to entertain me. It's trying to make me laugh, enjoy it. And it's not trying to inform me because it's not real life facts. So today when you're reading, I want you to be thinking about what is the author's purpose and why did they write this story? Are they trying to persuade me, inform, or entertain?